It's really pretty simple. It just requires the governor to notify legislative leadership when he leaves the state. I've made it very clear. The governor is going to California or Florida or any place else on vacation with his family. We don't want to intrude on that. I don't want the press to intrude on that. Then all he has to do is say, I'm going away on vacation with my family. But when the governor appears, because he is the governor of the state of New Jersey, travels to Vail, Colorado to appear before the infamous Koch brothers, it reflects on the kind of legislation that he believes in, in the manner in which he wants to leave the state. So I think it's important that he divulge that information. We're not preventing him from doing it. All we're asking for is disclosure. And I've always taken the attitude, even in raising children, you want to keep it a secret, there must be something wrong with it.
It's been reported that you and Senator Lesniak are planning to introduce a marriage equality bill. In New York State, they were able to pass the bill with some help from Republicans. Do you anticipate Republicans helping and pass the bill?
Well, I'm not going to anticipate anything from the Republicans because the Republicans in the legislature, with very few exceptions, I've only seen it happen once, seem to be in lockstep with anything the governor wants them to do. They are a very disciplined army. However, Senator Lesniak and I are talking about putting the bill back in. We know we've picked up more votes than we had the last time around. And whether we can get enough votes for what is sure to be a veto override, a lot of things to consider. But we're venturing into New York. I'm leaving the state of New Jersey and going across the river, paying the increased toll, to meet with the person in Governor Cuomo's administration who really shepherded through the New York legislature, kind of pick his brain a little bit.
You are going to be introducing some legislation to improve the Open Public Records and Open Public Meeting Act.
Right.
What's the status of that?
That legislation passed the state government committee. It's in the budget committee, but I had asked for it to be held up because we were doing a lot of, we got a lot of input, let me put it that way. A lot of changes in the bill. I think it's just about finished and ready to go. There were some things that we had in the original bill probably weren't so appropriate that we're changing in response to the kind of advocacy that we did get. So I'm hoping that that will be finished and ready to go and hopefully passed before the end of the year.